Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just so you know, what I'm sharing here is based on my own experience using this tool. In this video, we're diving into ProwritingAid, a powerful platform located at ProwritingAid.com. ProwritingAid is a comprehensive writing assistant designed to help you elevate your writing, whether you're crafting a novel, composing an email, or working on any other type of written content. It offers a suite of features that go beyond basic grammar and spell checking, delving into areas like style, tone, and clarity. You can use ProwritingAid to identify and rectify common writing pitfalls, such as passive voice overuse, repetitive sentence structures, and weak vocabulary choices. The platform also provides valuable insights into your writing's overall readability and offers suggestions for improvement. ProwritingAid integrates seamlessly with various applications and platforms, making it a versatile tool for writers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting your writing journey, ProwritingAid can be a valuable asset in polishing your prose and strengthening your communication skills. One of the standout features is its in-depth analysis of your writing style, helping you identify patterns and tendencies that might be holding you back. It offers personalized feedback and recommendations, tailoring its guidance to your specific needs. ProwritingAid also boasts a plagiarism checker, ensuring the originality of your work. This functionality adds another layer of security and confidence to your writing process. With its user-friendly interface and robust feature set, ProwritingAid is a comprehensive solution for anyone seeking to enhance their writing. It's a tool that can help you transform your writing from good to great, making your words more impactful and effective. So, if you're looking to improve your writing skills and create compelling content, definitely consider checking out ProwritingAid. It's a valuable resource that can make a significant difference in your writing journey. It offers both free and premium versions, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Explore ProwritingAid.com today and discover how this powerful tool can help you elevate your writing to the next level.